I saw a dream yesterday in which I was winning the Bharat Ratna. Hey fellas, this is Lavleen Sharma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am feeling motivated to ignite your inner light and to find yourself. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho is one of the most famous literature breakthroughs. This is the world which made him, Paulo Coelho, a celebrity overnight. It is, written in that magical form that everybody is gonna love it. What happens in this novel is Santiago is a young shepherd living in the hills of Andalusia, and he thinks that there is a lot more to explore than his humble home and his comfort zone. So one day he finds courage to go out, to explore this world, to go out and find the real treasure. Each step he followed made him realize that he is following the right path, because this is his own path. The people he sees in the way, the people he get along with, the things he see, and the wisdom he learns are life change. There are some lessons that I have learned from the Alchemist, and they are actually life changing. So first lesson I have learned from this book is fear is the bigger obstacle than the obstacle itself. So we humans are evolved in such a way that we hesitate in taking a step ahead. We will not be in our comfort zone, and this hesitation stops us from taking a step ahead. Second is your success has a ripple effect. That is, when you succeed in something, you do not succeed alone. Your family, your lifestyle, everyone that is connected with you, you uplift them also. So your success has a ripple effect. The third one is my favorite, that is be unrealistic. So a lot of people would definitely suggested you that please be realistic. Why should I be realistic? I want to be imaginative. A lot of researches would not have happened if the people chose to accept the world as it is. So we need to be unrealistic. We need to be imaginative. All the things take birth in our imagination. Then it comes as invention. With Paulo Coelho's visionary blend of spirituality, magical realism, and an extremely beautiful way of writing, you are definitely going to love this book. I hope you guys love the video. If you love the video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to it and stay updated, stay tuned with me.